अच्छा बोल रहा था तुम्हारे तो बच्चे को समझ में नहीं आया। Roman numbers. Good, good. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, good, better. Half of circle. 10 numbers. Diameter. Code. Radius. Center. Thank you. Today I am going to tell about three
International Mathematics Day. Our topic is types of polygon.
Good afternoon, my dear parents. My name is Moksha. I am studying in 8th standard. Our topic is types of polygon.
This is triangle. In triangle there are three sides and each angle contains 60 degrees. There is no diagonals in triangle. This is square. In square there are four sides and all four sides are equal and each angle contains 90 degrees. There are two diagonals in square. This is pentagon and in pentagon there are five sides and each angle contains 180 degrees. There are five diagonals in pentagon. This is hexagon. In hexagon there are six sides and each angle contains 100 degrees and there are nine sides in hexagon.
Heptagon has 7 sides and each angle contains 128.6 degrees. And in heptagon, 14 diagonals are there. This is octagon. Octagon, 8 sides are each angle contains 135 degrees. And in octagon, 20 diagonals are there. This is ninogon. In ninogon, 9 sides are there. In each angle contains 140 degrees. Ninogon has 7 diagonals. This is decagon. In decagon has 10 sides and each angle contains 144 degrees. In decagon, 35 diagonals are right. स्लीपिंग लाइन आता है इसलिए वन लाइन है. डी को ये पूरा सेम है इसलिए वो वन लाइन सिमेट्री है. ई ये तीनों सेम है इसलिए वन लाइन सिमेट्री है. वन लाइन ये डी के जैसा रहता तो ये ऐसा रहता था इसलिए वो नो लाइन सिमेट्री है. जी को यहाँ से भी आता है 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 इसलिए नो लाइन सिमेट्री है. एच यहाँ से भी आता है यहाँ से भी आता है इसलिए टू लाइन सिमेट्री. टू आर इक्वल. आई टू आर दिस ऑल्सो सेम टू सेम. जे को भी नहीं आते हैं इसलिए नो लाइन सिमेट्री. के इसलिए वो नो लाइन सिमेट्री. एल ऐसा है इसलिए वो नो लाइन सिमेट्री. यहाँ पे एंट्री बी सी नहीं है इक्वल पार्ट्स नहीं इसलिए यहाँ पे ओपेज बहुत इन्फिनिटी है. कहाँ पे भी हो सकता. टी में कुछ भी नहीं है. अगर टी होना है तो बी जैसे करना. यहाँ पे कुछ भी लाइन सिमेट्री नहीं है कुछ भी इक्वल नहीं है. यहाँ पे भी नहीं है क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्यूब पे यहाँ पे लाइन आ रहा है ना इसलिए. यहाँ पे भी कुछ इक्वल नहीं है क्योंकि यहाँ पे इक्वल कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा ना. सामने से आ रहा ना इधर से आ रहा. इसमें भी नहीं है इसमें भी इक्वल नहीं आता. यहाँ पे टी में आ रहा क्योंकि सेम है. यहाँ पे लाइन यहाँ पे इधर टू होना तो इधर करना. इधर यू में भी 2 लाइन्स है पर इधर नहीं है. इधर होना तो ओ होना इसलिए वन लाइन सिमेट्री. ये भी 2 हो ही है. यहाँ पे होना तो होना इसलिए यहाँ पे वन लाइन सिमेट्री. यहाँ पे ये भी वन लाइन है यहाँ पे ऐसा है ना इसलिए यहाँ पे इधर 2 इक्वल पार्ट हो रहे. इधर से भी हो रहे इधर से भी हो रहे. वाई पे भी ऐसे ही हो रहा. इधर सामने से आ रही इधर नहीं आ रहा. जेड में भी कुछ नहीं है. जेड में इक्वल नहीं है कुछ.
Sri Krishna High School. Welcome to Max Expo of Sri Krishna High School. Our topic is parts of a circle.
First we
have to understand what is a circle. A circle is a two-dimensional shape that is round and made up of curved line is called circle. In a circle there are 9 parts. The first type is center. What is center?
the point is called center.
Fixed point is called center. A chord passes through the center is called diameter. Tangent. A line which touches on the top of the circle is called tangent. Circumference. Length of the boundary is called circumference.
Segmented parts of the segment is called
Radius. The distance between center and any 1/2 radio on an arc is called sector.
Arc, a part of the boundary is called arc.
Chord. A line segment which join 2 points of the circle is called chord. Thank you.
Sir, today my topic is about Euclid, causes and history and his life. First topic is Euclid history. Here are some facts about the history of the Euclid the Greek. There are some facts about the Euclid the Greek. He is a famous mathematician. He is known as father of mathematics. He is a famous mathematician and the father of Greek, father of geometry means. He has been
Invented
yes, he invented the geometry.
Okay.
Because of that, he has the father of geometry.
He's from which country?
Alexander Egypt.
Euclid was born around 325 BC and he is well known for his writing Alexander and he
Don't read here.
studies
He begins to study the Plato's philosophy because
You should ask what is this? Don't know answer. When somebody asks.
he small he thought to become a biggest teacher and
fair and helpful teacher.
teaching and do best teaching to the students and will stage in life. Postulate.
Postulate number 1. A straight line can be drawn from any point
Postulate.
Postulate.
Postulate meaning?
Postulate meaning Euclid has been
Postulate means the turn.
You should be aware what you are doing then. Explain.
A straight line can be drawn from any point to any another point.
He told that. So all are the points here. Okay.
Means from point we can draw infinity lines like this, like the infinity lines we cannot
With 1 point. Second postulate is a infinite straight line can be extended indefinitely.
same as like this, but there is only one line. There will be no end to the line.
Okay. Infinite ending.
Infinity ending.
Okay.
It will be going on.
Infinity. Okay.
Third person.
Circle can be drawn with any center and radius.
It means one circle and radius. We can draw infinity circles.
Circles. Okay.
With 1 radius.
With one radius we can draw infinity circles.
What is radius?
Down radius.
Circle when divides into two.
These are equal to 1 and another.
Yes.
Right angle.
Yes.
In one
90
square,
degrees. And the opposite side will be also 90 degrees.
Equal.
also equal.
Okay.
It is a particular point. It should be the equal. If it will not the equal, then it will be not the shape.
That is not a perfect shape.
Perfect shape.
Okay. The angles should be equal.
Equal.
Okay. Opposite angles. Okay. Last point is there.
Last point, if there are not coming. I told you only 4 is.
Good evening, sir. My name is Naitik. I am studying in 9th class. Today I am going to explain about some of the angles in a triangle.
Good evening, sir. My name is Anish. I am studying in 9th class. Today my topic is complementary angle and supplementary angle.
Sir, can I ask you one question? Straight line contains how many degrees? 180. Second question. If I remove all the 3 angles and place it here, it makes a straight line. It makes a straight line. So a straight line contains 180 degrees. By this, we can say that a triangle also contains 180 degrees.
Now I am going to explain what are complementary angles and what are supplementary angles. Now I am taking the 20-degree angle. I am keeping it here from 0. Okay. 90 degrees. If any angle is less than 90 degrees, is known as acute angle. This is 70 degrees. How many types of angles are there? 3 types. Only 3 types.
No, we can make how many triangles we as you are wish. But
Okay, there is no prescribed triangles. There is no name for triangles, types of triangles.
types of triangles
How many
there.
are there? I'm asking you.
Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, rectangle.
This is divided again based on shapes and angles also. Then you are not telling that.
No, that is Samir's topic. This
So okay, you should tell me now.
of triangle, the sum of all the angles are 180 degrees. In any type of triangle, the sum of all the angles is equals to 180 degrees also. When it is right angle or equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, all angles contains 180 degrees. All triangles contains 180 degrees. In a quadrilateral, it contains 360 degrees.
360 degrees.
In quadrilateral.
Now, it is 70 degrees angle.
Okay.
When we are keeping this here, it forms a straight line. This is 90 degrees.
Okay.
The 90 degrees is also known as right angle and complementary angle. These two are complementary angles to each other.
To each other.
To each other.
If two acute angles are added, then it will compulsory we can 90 degrees add. That is known as acute angle less than 90.
Between 0 to 90. This is the 90 degree angle. When we merge with this together, then it forms a straight line. This straight line is known as 180 degrees and supplementary angle.
Supplementary angle. Hold and take photo. కొంచెం కిందికి. Right. Good evening.
Today my topic is area of plane figures. Madam, base means downward side, madam. Height means down to upside. 1/2 is dividing two sides. Half dividing two sides. We can take example ice cream cone down side. We can take example rectangle. Area of rectangle is length into B. Length. Two sides of length, madam.
Equal length.
Equal length. Base.
That's two equal lengths.
Okay. Base also has equal length.
Two equal bases, two equal
Length also. We can take example from box, phone, and identicals also. Example, etc. Square. Area of side and side. Madam, we can measure also. These sides are all equal.
in square.
Yes.
All sides are equal. Okay.
Perimeter of square is 4 sides are equal. We can take example this windows also. Trapezium. Area of trapezium. Parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is base into height. Base means downward side, madam.
Okay, always based on.
Base height down to upper side. We can take example railway tracks.
Railway tracks.
And current poles. Cross and current pole. Remaining my friend will explain. Good evening.
My name is Harish. I am studying in 9th grade. Today we are celebrating Mathematics Day. Today my topic is area of plane figure. Now I am explaining about rhombus. If the area is the shape of the rhombus is half into D1 to D2. D half means take half.
Equal half.
D1, D2.
Okay.
We can take example kite.
Yes.
Kite.
Perfect example. Kite is an example of rhombus.
Yes. Coordination. If the area is in the shape of a quadrilateral is half into D into H1 into H2.
What is H? Height.
Height 1, height 2.
These dimensions.
And
Dimension, how will we take dimension?
here, madam.
Here half into
Yes, yes.
here
D1.
D1, acha, D1, D2. Okay, okay.
here height 1, height 2. Example building the window shapes. Example window shapes, etc. Trapezium. If the area is in the shape of a trapezium is half into height into A plus B. We can take example art of decoration.
We can observe these triangles in our daily life.
This shape.
These shapes. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
One picture, please. getting late, no? 4:25.
My name is Kishan Gupta from 9th class. I am explaining about coordinate geometry.
Good evening, ma'am. I am Krishna Biradar of 9th class. Today I am explaining about coordinate geometry.
Yes.
The coordinate geometry helps people to locate the home. Nowadays, people are using Ola, Uber. The help of satellite. The satellite helps them to give exact location to our home. This is related to maths also. Now, if we want to go this house, from main road, from there, on street 3, left side, take left to come third building of G.
So this is all coordinating. Okay. Geometry?
This
Coordinate geometry made by Rene Descartes.
Okay. He invented this
Yes.
stuff. Okay. What is geometry then? You told coordinate means it will coordinate the routes and all that. It will show the way.
geometry only, ma'am. They will show exact location.
Acha, location also with this. How this is applicable to maths? Acha, from maths only they have taken the
Directions.
Acha, direction. That's it. Huh?
This all made by Rene Descartes.
Rene Descartes was born on
You will read that. Huh?
1956 and he was dead on 1650. He was
Where he was
great.
born? Which country?
French.
French.
He was a big magician and philosopher.
He developed the geometry.
Okay.
He was found algebraic equations and
Acha, also algebraic equations. Okay.
geometry cuts and figures. This chapter about points and plot the geometry.
Plot.
Yes.
Not on the coordinate plane.
Okay. Plotting.
Plotting on the coordinate plane.
Paramveer.
I'm explaining about cubite. In cubite have three formulas.
Void. Okay.
Cubite have three formulas. CSA, curved surface area, 2H into L plus B. Total surface area, 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Volume L into B into H. I am explaining about the cube. Curved surface area. Total surface area 6A square. Volume A cube. And prism. Prism also have three formulas. CSA, pyramid of base into height. TSA, total surface area, lateral surface area, 2 plus area of the end surface. Volume, area of the base into height. Sphere. In sphere also have three formulas. Curved surface area, 4 pi r square. R means radius, pi means 2 by 7. Total surface area, pi r square. Total surface area, lateral surface area formula is same. Volume, 4 by 3 pi r cube.
Okay.
Let's continue by session.
It's all are 3D shapes.
Yes.
2D will also be there, no?
Yes. Cylinder.
Okay.
2 pi r. Total surface area. 2 pi r plus h. Volume. Pi r square h. Pyramid.
Pyramid.
Curved surface area. 1 by half perimeter of base into standard. Total surface area. Lateral surface area plus area of base. Volume. 1 by 3 area of base into height. Good. CSA. Pi RL. So TSA. Pi R L plus R. Volume 1 by 3 pi r square h. In sphere. Curved surface area 2 pi r square. Total surface area 3 pi r square. Volume 2 by 3 pi r cube. Thank you. Thank you.
1 minute. 1 minute, Pratiksha. Wait. All are correct. Smile.
Explaining talking about tangent and secant. It is the tangent. Tangent is a line which touches only one point of a circle. It is called tangent. Secant is a line which touches only 2 points of circle and it is intersects for secant. This is called secant.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vamshi. I'm from Central. Construction of a tangent of a circle. Take a 7 cm radius of it and do a circle. Take a 25 cm of from P, from center of the circle. It is. Take a perpendicular bisector of this circle of and two tangents of P and A. P and B. It is equal to each other. Thank you.
That's it.
Yes.
Then you have given the example.
Yes.
Thank you.
And go.
Good evening, madam. Myself Pawan from 10th standard. I am here to explain about Pythagoras theorem. In the right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. My friend, observe the explain.
Right angle triangle is 90 degrees. Its opposite is hypotenuse. The length of the breadth of the triangle is 3 units. 3 units. Area of the square is equal to side into side. 3 into 3 is equal to 9 square units. And the length of the triangle is 4 units. Area of the square is equal to side into 4 into 4 is 16 square units. The slant height is equal to 5 units. Area of the square is equal to side into side. 5 into 5 is equal to 25 square units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this I have 9 squares and in this 16 squares and in this 25 squares. 3, 4, 5 are also called Pythagoras theorem.
Thank you.
Who invented this Pythagoras? So his name is itself Pythagoras. He's from which country?
Project is Max theorem part. Pythagoras theorem is area of similar triangle. In Pythagoras theorem, it states that in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the legs of the other triangles. The hypotenuse of the Pythagoras theorem states that in a triangle, if the side of the square of the one side of the triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the legs of the other three sides, then the angle opposite is the triangle is the right angle triangle. In basic proportionality theorem, it was proposed by Thales. It is also known as Thales theorem. So basic proportionality theorem states that P is a line that is parallel to BC. So that this line divides AB and AC in the same ratio. That is AE is equals to CE and AD is equals to D. The converse of basic proportionality theorem states that if there is a line, it divides AB and AC in the same ratio. This means this line is parallel to BC. Areas of similar triangles states that there are two similar triangles. So the ratio of the areas of the two similar triangles is equal to the squares of the areas of the corresponding sides.
Five theorems. All 5 by these two only.
No, this is by Thales, this is by Pythagoras.
Remaining
Remaining are converses. First, let me explain about the word trigonometry. The word trigonometry can be divided into 3 parts. The first part will be tri, the second will be gono, and the third will be metric. The word tri means 3, gono means angle, and metric means measuring. So the word triangle is measure. So here we have a right angle triangle present here. Now, in a right angle triangle, the longest side is called hypotenuse, and angle in trigonometry is called as theta. So let us assume we have theta present here. Now using this, I can find both of these values, the opposite and the hypotenuse, using these ratios. Now if I have here 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees,
Only on one theta base you can find out the remaining.
if the theta is present here, I can find both of these sides using this ratio, sine ratio, which is opposite the hypotenuse. And if the but it is present here. I can find these both sides, hypotenuse and adjacent.
Sound
Using
clarity
cos
नहीं आता
theta,
कैसा?
by hypotenuse.
यही कर लेते
Now
हैं
here I have 6 ratios. Using the 6 ratios, I can find 3 of the sides present in a triangle. So here, for sin theta we have the ratio opposite by hypotenuse. For cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse. For tan theta opposite by hypotenuse. It is just the combination of both of these. And cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. For tan theta we have opposite by adjacent. Whereas for cos theta we have adjacent by opposite. For sec theta, which is reciprocal of cos theta, here we have adjacent by hypotenuse. Here we have hypotenuse by adjacent. For sec theta, which is reciprocal of sin theta, opposite by hypotenuse, hypotenuse by opposite. So using these three ratios or these three ratios, we can find all the sides present in a triangle. And it will be more easy if we have if the angle here will be these values 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees, because in math we have the values of these degrees, and if I substitute these values in this ratio, I can easily find these sides present here.
Apart from these numbers, if we have the other numbers.
Apart from these numbers, we have to use these ratios.
Okay. If directly these numbers,
We can easily calculate, and this is used in building poles, buildings, complexes, measuring the heights of the mountains, trees. How we will use these in our daily life will be explained in application of trigonometry, which is second part of trigonometry.
1 minute. Arey what? Why you? Come like.
Myself Varsha, we are from 10th standard. Today our topic is application of trigonometry. This is second part of the trigonometry. Trigonometry, we got the ratios and the angles. Now how we will use that in our daily lives, we get to know here.
Trigonometry is important because we can use the and calculate the height and distance in any fields like architecture and aviation, etc. In application of trigonometry, we can measure the height of the poles, height of the trees, and height of the mountains, height of the planets and stars, etc.
mainly for height.
Yes.
It will give perfect figure.
If you know the distance and degrees, we can take the
Easily
height.
know the height. Okay. Let's see.
We have angle of elevation and angle of depression. Angle of elevation means the line of sides above the horizontal line, and the angle between them is known as angle of elevation. And the angle of depression means the line of sides below the horizontal line, and the angle between them is known as angle of depression. If we want to calculate from up to down, then we have to use the angle of depression. If we want to calculate from down to up, we have to use the angle of elevation. Now here is it is a protractor. If we want to use that, now we get this 45 degrees. We directly have the tan 45.
Yes.
So by that we can apply that tan 45 is equal to 1. So tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. By substituting that values, we can find the opposite side. By any of the now we have here distance. So we are able to find opposite side. If we have opposite side, then we can find also distance. By substituting that, we got the opposite as 29 centimeters. Yes. Like this, we can measure every height, and even in the oceans also we can see waves.
Okay. So this builders and all, they will use this kind of thing.
One photo.
Inventor geometry. In geometry, 5 parts are there in geometry.
Okay.
First part or ruler, used to measure length and breadth to draw the lines. Second part of the compass, used to measure draw circle with the diameter. Divider, we have to use between two parts of the diameter. Afterwards, compass, used to measure the angles between two intersecting lines.
in geometry, last part of the geometry. Set square. In set square. Two triangular with angles of the short like this. This is set square. Set square are used in diameter. Set square are used in draw parallelogram and particular line. We have a particular line. In set square, particular line angle we have there. Particular line. We have to angle 45 degrees are there. Draw one particular line. In geometry box, we are using scissors.
You will not explain anything. Honestly.
This axis divides it into 4 points, 4 parts: quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4.
My name is Ashwin and I am from 9th standard. You can see in quadrant 1, y-axis is y value is positive and x value is also positive. In quadrant 1, both are positive. In quadrant 2, x is negative and y is positive. In quadrant 2, x is negative and y is positive. In quadrant 3, both are negative. In quadrant 4, y value is negative and x value is positive.
Thank you.
My name is Gail.
We are from 9th class. Today's our topic is about Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was the first Indian mathematician who invented zero. He also well known about digit zero, and he is using placeholder or decimal system. He also invented pi value. Aryabhatta approximate the pi value as a 3.14. It is actual value 22/7. By dividing, it gets 3.14. Okay. And he invented trigonometry also. He converted.
Trigonometry was invented by Aryabhatta.
Yes, sir. He created table of sines, cosines, and convert sines of 4 decimal system. And also angle of a triangle. He correctly calculated the angle of triangle. My friend
Aryabhatta was a mathematician as well as he was an astronomer. The first satellite launched by the government of India on his name. They named the satellite Aryabhatta satellite. This satellite launched on 19th April 1975. The uses of satellite with the help of satellite for communication, for TV programs, for phone calls, etc. With the help of satellite, we are getting internet, data, etc. Yes, and satellite provides information about Earth, ocean, clouds, rivers, etc. And with the weather also, weather condition also. Yes, thank you.
So, number 5 marks.
Yes, sir.
My name is Harita and I am from 10th standard. Today we are both here to explain about sets with the help with the help of a Venn diagram. The set is a defined collection of distinct objects. The objects often set are called as elements. These are the objects, and these are the numbers also, natural numbers. We called as element in sets chapter. This is a circle and this is a circle. This circle is set A and this circle is set A. In set A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are circles, and in set B, the numbers are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the both sets are intersecting each other.
Yes, intersecting.
Yes. Because there is a common number in both of them. If there is no common number, then the circles will be separated.
Yes.
And like that are called as undefined.
Undefined circles. Okay.
Okay. First, A union B. A union B. A union of A and B consists of all elements of A or B. In A union B, we have to explain these two sets in one set. Like example, A consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B consists of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have to make it in a set 1. So A union B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. The A consists of 5 and B consists of 5. So the common element is 5. So we will represent this A union B at once. This 5 common element. And another
5
is,
you will represent A union B as a common number.
no. We will represent all these elements, but here the number is 5.
Common is only 1, 5.
So we will represent it once only.
Okay.
Here A intersection B. Intersection is nothing but the common elements. In this both set the common element is only 5. In A set we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and in B set we have 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But in this both the common element is 5. So intersection is nothing but common element. No? So A intersection B is equals to 5.
Okay. Only 5 here.
Here.
Intersection is 5. Okay.
Another example also there maybe we can take. So A minus B. In this, these two sets, from these two sets, we have to subtract or remove the B set. For example, A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will remove this B set and the remaining set will be A.
Okay.
So A minus B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and these are called flower brackets.
Instead we have to use only flower brackets.
Normal brackets.
No. And this is last set.
B minus A. From these are two sets now. So we have to remove A set from B minus A now. From B, this whole set we have to remove A set. So B minus A. In A set we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B set 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if we remove A set, whole A set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then only B set will remain.
Yes.
That is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So
5
B
will
minus
not
A.
come. How 5 will come?
Intersect.
If you remove A, 6, 7, 8, 9 remains.
So, but 5 comes in this also, no?
Without intersecting, you're telling. With intersecting, no. Now 5 will come, then it will be a part of A also, no?
A remove.
It is part of B also, na ma'am?
You are removing. Complete A remove. What is remaining in A minus B?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 not 1, 2, 3,
B
4.
removed now. 1, 2, 3, 4
1, 2,
only.
3, 4.
You removed B, no ma. Only you A you're telling.
Why you are getting confusion?
1, 2, 3, 4.
That is intersection. 5 is intersection part. Okay.
Smile, Nandini. Haripriya.
Sir, good evening.
We are both from 19. Today we are telling about Srinivasa Ramanujan.
Okay.
He is the great mathematician in India.
Okay.
Every year we will celebrate National Mathematics Day on his birth anniversary from
Today also we are
2012.
doing, no?
We are doing today why because
Today we all gathered here to celebrate his
Yes,
birth
22nd,
anniversary.
yes.
This is 137th birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanujan.
137.
history. He was an Indian mathematician who lived during the British rule in India. Though he was a formal training pure mathematician, he made substantial training in the place mathematician.
Ramanujan initially developed his own mathematics research isolation. In 1913, he began a postal partnership with the English mathematician G.H. Hardy at the University of Cambridge, England.
Ramanujan magic square is the matrix of the number where the sum of the numbers in each row, column and diagonals is the same number. By add up to it will come 139. Here
The magic square is here. By adding
However you
row,
add,
it will come 139.
139 number.
yes, by corners also we will add 4 digits. We will add
This is called Ramanujan magic square.
yes by diagonally, by corners and by row also, by columns also. The formulas of Ramanujan. London Ramanujan constant, mock theta functions, Ramanujan conjecture, Ramanujan prime, Ramanujan sum, Ramanujan solenoid constant, Ramanujan theta function, Ramanujan's master theorem, Roger's Ramanujan identities.
These all are the
These are
concepts by Ramanujan.
Formulas.
Formulas he has given. Literally.
yes.
This is the minus. Minus indicates subtraction.
This is the shape of minus.
Minus.
Ramanujan is also bought with Ramanujan only.
No. This
Shape
information is there. Only shape. He born on
He born on
22nd December.
22 December 1887 at Kumbakonam, Madras Presidency in British rule.
Okay. This is a Marathi.
No?
No. Okay.
He educated in Kumbakonam and in Cambridge University, graduated with BA by Research, and this degree was called a PhD from 1920.
Okay.
26th April expired. He expired on 26th April 1920 in the age of 32 at Kumbakonam Madras Presidency in British India.
Very early he left. 32 is too young.
This is plus. It indicates addition.
Okay.
He is expert in trigonometry in age of 20 years only. He discovered a theorem of his own. His formal training in mathematics made extraordinary contribution to mathematical analysis, number theory, etc. Ramanujan Honours elected to London Mathematician Society in 1918, and he also elected to Fellow of Trinity College of Cambridge in 1918.
Okay.
This is the rectangle.
Wrote experts spelling wrong.
This is the rectangle.
Here we have information about Srinivasa
So you are showing in shapes his information.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Ramanujan's works continues to influence mathematics and inspire future generations. He remains a symbol of extraordinary mathematical genius and dedication.
This is the square. Ramanujan has self-taught, no formal training. He was explored the infinity series, continued fractions. He focused on number theorems.
Okay, number theorem.
This is the semicircle and this is the full circle.
Srinivasa Ramanujan is famous for his discoveries that have influenced several areas of mathematics. He is remembered for his unique mathematical brilliance, which he had largely developed by himself. In 1920, he died at age 32, but was recognized by mathematicians as a phenomenal gains without peer, and from 2012, the India started celebrating Max Day.
This is the triangle. He left an individual mark of mathematician. He fascinated by partner and equations. Patterns and equations. His work definitely conventional norms.
His unconventional problem solving methods and insights still fascinate mathematicians today also. Ramanujan Hardy number 171729.
Cab number. Hardy's cab
He
number.
is the number.
They both are
known as
partners.
Ramanujan number.
Okay.
H.G. Hardy.
Okay.
He is Srinivasa Ramanujan. They both are partners.
Okay.
Hardy arrived in a cab numbered 1729. He commented that the number was uninteresting or dull.
Yes.
So instantly Ramanujan claimed that it was a smallish number which can written as sum of cubes in two different ways. 1729. 1 cube plus 12 cube.
It will come
1 cube
1729.
equals to 1. 12 cube equals to 1728. 1 plus 1728 equals to 1729. 9 cube equals to 729 and 10 cube equals to 1000. 1000 plus 729 equals to 1729. And we can write in this form also. 7 into 13 into 19
So
is
when
known as
his friend told it is a
1729.
dull number, he made it into this much productive
Unique
number.
number, special number.
He showed him that is not a dull number.
Yes.
Oh, very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you. One photo, ma. Smile.